All right, back to the auto trading. Let's see here. Let's see what we could do. This is the minute 30. I had to back out a lot of code because I did that major merge and I was having an issue with the manage manual that you guys can manually manage your targets and the also automation part. But let's see here, the auto entry part. But let's see here. Let's make this look pretty. Just get rid of the grid. This is ugly, but that's nothing because it's just a test. Let's see what it do. US 30. It's what, March 15th. We started for the 13th, and right now we're at 11,000 on the 15th. I'll just let this rock while I sip my iced coffee. Okay, so it looks like my fix is actually working. I'm going to let this continue. This is at 118. Okay, I can start to add additional logic, I think, back into it because I think I resolved the issue that I was having. Yeah, this was a sell, but stop loss, yep, taking partials. Let's get this grid going, or the candlesticks going. I mean, this thing is just continuously climbing right now, so I like that, and I'm good with this. So I'm going to pause this right now. Let's do a stop. Boom. Let's see the report. What's the report? Short positions 1, 93%. Long positions 1, 96%. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right.